Grief is just love with no place to go. Oh, the angst of my tiny self and the wish she had to let go.